Teaching in Tokyo for ESL teachers or foreign language teachers. Hey everyone, how are you? It's Kaikane here today. Hope all of you are having a wonderful day wherever you are and whatever you are doing. Today's episode is about teaching in Tokyo. I'm going to go over a few important points of why teaching in Tokyo is totally awesome. First off, Tokyo is the biggest city in the world with the biggest population of round about 38 million people. With all of the amazing food, the sophisticated transportation system, and the most high-tech gadgets on earth, Tokyo is the place to be for teaching English or any other foreign language. As I have mentioned before in my previous videos, in my book, and in my consultations, I can only stress that teaching in Tokyo is my favorite place to teach English in the world, even more than China, although China comes close. Not to mention, besides the amazing culture, the amazing views of the biggest city in the world, Tokyo is just totally awesome. I first set foot in the big city of Tokyo back in 2001, and ever since then I have been coming back and forth teaching English throughout Tokyo and also throughout Japan. Although Japan has many other fabulous and amazing cities to offer, teaching English in Tokyo or any other foreign language, if you're a foreign language teacher, is the best for more than too many reasons to mention in this video. If you know how to play the game right, ladies and gents, look your best, smell your best, and teach your best, you will absolutely be making tons of money teaching here in Tokyo, whatever language you are teaching. Do keep in mind that if you want to teach English in Japan, and especially in Tokyo, you must be a native English speaker 100%. It's almost impossible to find a job teaching English in Japan if you are a non-native English speaker. However, if you are a teacher of any other foreign language, such as Italian, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, or whatever else you can imagine, you will absolutely be able to find a teaching job teaching your foreign language here in this amazing city and also throughout Japan. Not to mention, you'll also be making tons of money as well, as long as you follow my rules in my book and in my videos and through my consultations. Ladies and gents, keep in mind that my services are not only for native English speakers who want to teach English, but also for any other teacher of any other foreign language, such as Italian, Chinese, Korean, Spanish, or what have you. There are a never-ending abundance of English language schools and language schools located all over Tokyo and also all throughout Japan. Therefore, it will be super easy to find a job as long as you are qualified, meaning you are a university graduate and have at least a 4-year bachelor's degree and are a native English speaker or a native speaker for the language you desire to teach. Besides all of these amazing points of why teaching English in Japan and Tokyo are awesome, and any other foreign language for that matter, there are, however, just a few downsides. For example, if you do plan on moving or coming over to Japan and Tokyo to teach English or any other foreign language, you must follow my financial relocation plan. I cannot stress that enough, as much as possible. Japan, especially Tokyo itself, is by far the most expensive place in the world to live. Therefore, if you plan on relocating here, you had better save a substantial amount of money for your startup costs, just for an emergency or whatever situation you may encounter, and so forth. Rent is really crazy expensive here in Japan, especially in Tokyo. For example, I'm living in Shibuya currently, which is pretty much the craziest and coolest town here in Tokyo, which is also very convenient. The rent is about $1,500 to $2,000 a month, and that's for a small place. I currently pay about $2,000 a month for my apartment here in Shibuya. Other areas outside of Tokyo in the suburban area, such as Chiba, Saitama, and Kanagawa, are of course much cheaper to live in. The transportation is also rather smooth and quick to get down to central Tokyo. It could take anywhere from 20 to 30, even sometimes an hour to get downtown. So besides rent costing an arm and a leg, that's pretty much the only thing you have to worry about. Monthly transportation can also run you about anywhere from $80 to $120, sometimes up to $150. It really all depends on where you are living and where you are going to and where your language center or wherever you are going to be teaching as a home base is located. They do have monthly train passes, which which will allow you to go to any location, for example, on the Tokyo Metro line or the JR line, etc. And that's much cheaper than just paying individually day by day. The subways, which are called the Tokyo Metro, and the train lines, which are called the JR lines, are extremely efficient and the most efficient in the world. They are on time. They do come sometimes every minute, up to every 2 or 3 minutes as well, and will get you to your destination on time, unless, of course, there is the unforeseen jumper, which occasionally happens throughout the day. Well, that's it for today, ladies and gents. If you want to know more deep, dark, and awesome secrets about teaching English in Tokyo, or teaching a foreign language here in Tokyo, or even in Japan, please don't hesitate to contact me and book a one-on-one Skype or email consultation. It is well worth it, a very small investment. I will be posting some more videos about teaching English in Tokyo and Japan, so please stay tuned for more awesome videos. Don't forget to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't yet. Also, I do provide resume revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out on your journey of teaching English in Japan or teaching any other foreign language in Tokyo or Japan. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay focused.